Hi kids, let's do the practical to identify sucrose. I have taken a sample of sugar with me. I add a little bit of water into that and mix it thoroughly. And I add few drops of diluted sulfuric acid. Now I add few drops of Benedict solution. Let's place this in a hot water bath and observe the color change. Color has changed from blue color into a yellowish green color. Let's leave it in the hot water bath for some more time. From green color, it has turned into an orange color. From orange, it has turned into a brick red color. Now we know when we took sucrose, the sugar solution, and first tried with the Benedict reagent, it did not give a color change. But when we added few drops of sulfuric acid into a fresh sugar sample and then add Benedict solution, it gave us the color change from blue to green, then to orange, and then finally this brick red color. So with this video clip, we have completed all three tests that we do under carbohydrates. The iodine test, the Benedict test for monosaccharides, and the Benedict test that we do to identify disaccharides. Let's meet up with another video clip. Thank you for watching Funday Science. Stay with us for more new scientific video clips.